Hey guys, I want to show you something to look for real quick on this 2003 F250. Got a straight axle. Now typically, the one thing you got to watch for, I wouldn't say super common, but this bottom lower ball joint. Now typically, when you look inside, either the caster camber bushing up above, you can kind of see the corrosion or oxidation. Better look at this. That's typical right there. That's what it should look like. That means that the ball joint's seated in place and it's not moving around. Now, see if we can get a look good. There we go. Okay. See that lower ball joint? That's the lower C on this straight axle right here. Now the lower C, you can see that ball joint has been moving around. Okay. We got the new ball joints in place, ready for install. And we also have the two that were removed. Okay, now here's the upper. There we go, standard oxidation. You can see the line, the camber caster bushing stayed in place. Now here is the lower. Now, so why is this a problem? Why should I look for this? Well, when the lower is not seated, it'll elongate this hole. So the taper itself the bottom will be wider than it is supposed to be originally. So when you put in the new ball joints, you're gonna find that either you don't have enough clearance between the lower C and the knuckle, or when you put the new lower ball joint in, because of the oblong of the hole, it won't seat and you'll still have movement in the lower ball joint. So if you see something like this, pray it hasn't been very long. I mean, in this case, this one hasn't been very long. After I mic'd it, it's really not off by much, so I'm not gonna have any issues here. Something to look for.